OpenAI has just completely changed the AI race with the launch of GPT 5.6 model. They claim the new GPT 5.6 Sol model beats Claude Fable 5 on almost every benchmark. This release comes with 3 models: Sol, Terra and Luna, and all these models have their own capabilities. Also, OpenAI has just renamed its code editor from Codex to ChatGPT Codex. In this video, we will see what each model can do, compare them with Claude Fable 5 and find out which one is the best for coding. And finally, we will build production-ready Unity game using GPT 5.6 and MCP to see how it performs in real project. Hi there, Sumit here and welcome back to SpineOWL. So as you can see here that my codex has opened, and here if you go in the bottom right section, you can see 5.6 Sol model is selected, right? If I click on the drop down, so you'll see that 5.6 Sol, Terra and Luna. So these three variants we are seeing. I'm going to choose middle one because this will take token in moderate amount, and I think this is big enough for me. Before that, I connected my MCP. So for connecting MCP, I just simply type MCP, Unity MCP, and from here, actually, I just simply copy this URL. And once you copy this URL, you have to go to in Unity, go to the package manager, Windows, package manager, then package manager. In the package manager window, you need to just go here and install package from Git URL. Just simply click here and paste this URL and just simply click install. And because I already imported this package, so I will not repeat it once again. So once the Unity editor part gets done, then simply you need to type, like I said, we are connected. Are we connected to MCP? This project check once, so it will check, or if it is not connected, then it will connect. So it simply says to me that yes, it is connected. So this time, what I actually like, that the accuracy of image creation. So as you can see, MCP has created this basic UI. Okay, it is my collection store actually. So this was the basic UI. You can see here there is nothing fancy images, only some basic buttons, right? What it did, I simply says that store UI is not looking good. Create icons by matching our themes in proper place. Make store panel properly, visually looking appealing, eye-catching, right? I didn't do anything. I didn't go anywhere like in any other software, Photoshop or other software, and just it started doing. And you can see this one is created, and also the whatever it will create, the visual part will be taken like as in a screenshot. It will show like this one I have created. So you can see that it is far much better, at least for prototyping. You can say that yeah, this has done a good job, and I personally like it. I didn't go any other software, so it saved my time a lot. You can see all these images it has created inside in the editor with, I think it has used its ChatGPT images model for creating images, which is quite popular in market. So if I go to Unity, and you can see that my MCP is connected, right? I already created so many tutorial how to connect MCP. So if you want to, if you didn't see those tutorial, I'll just put a link of those tutorial in the description. Now if I just test it properly, so what I'll do, I'll just simply click on play button, and you can see that all the images, this was quite insane. It is something which I never ever did in my previous tutorial also. So yeah, this has created visually appealing UI, right? This one I'm liking generally. If I click on setting panel, you can see these are the this setting panel has created. vibration stuff is there, toggle is also working, sound toggle is also working. If I click on dark mode, so you can see dark mode is getting changed. And account connection, this will not be testable in editor, it will test in mobile devices actually. Remove ads, it is also same. Restore button is also tested in the mobile device as well. Rate us, if I click on rate us, what will happen? So it will just redirecting to the Google Play Store. If I click on write us, so write us is also working. If I click on privacy panel is also working. Terms and condition is also working. Okay, now if I click on store button, so store, you can see that I was talking about it. So it has done really good job. Genuinely, I am personally liking the store section which is created by it, and it saved me a lot of time, genuinely. Now if I click on home, so you can see that play icon and everything. If I click on play button, you can see this, right? And whether the functionality works or not, so I'm showing you. So if I click here, functionality, like the arrow is properly going. So yeah, for example, if I click on hint button, so whether it works or not, like click it. So yeah, hint is showing, right? And also its count is 0. Now if I click here again, so not enough hint, right? So yeah, this is also working. If I click on path, so you can see that all the path are drawing. That means where these arrow, a particular arrow is going and has to go, actually it's denoting that one. If I click erase, so it's saying like tap on arrow to remove it, right? So if suppose I click on this arrow, now it gets removed. So it's also working. Now my count is also reduced. So again, if I click here and click some arrow like this one, now it becomes 0. Now if I click here, so it's saying not enough arrow, right? So this is what actually have done, and trust me, it has done in almost like 10 to 15 minutes, not much more than that, and everything is created from scratch. So it's quite insane. If I click wrong arrow, so my my lifeline is also getting reduced, right? So yeah, I mean, this is the prototype, and it's quite interesting prototype which is completed. Sooner or later I'm going to publish this game in App Store and Play Store as well. So if you see this video, and if you go in the description, I'll put a description, I'll put the link of those, I mean this game, in the description actually. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out as well. So yeah, I think this is what I actually believe. Personally, my opinion, so AI got improved a lot. I'm already making so many videos using GPT and Claude, or so many other AI as well. And personally, I am feeling like AI is now getting more and more improved. And previously I used to write code with the help of AI agent, but now editor part is also getting done. So that's I mean, the time is not so far like when a big game, not triple at least, so a big indie game can make by a single person, and in very less amount of time, like 2 or 3 months. And that quality of the product also should be the amazing actually. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you like this game, actually you can download it in the App Store, or from the App Store and Play Store. If you like this video, please hit on like button, subscribe this channel, and if you have any question or any suggestion, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, signing off.